Back over to Brad Lawler, Home Team Inspection. Zoe has an interesting question, and it would a lot of condo owners and townhome owners who are really listening to us, and you might be interested in this. She says she lives in a townhome. She sees the company that the condo association hired putting out some sort of bait system for termites, but she's wondering for herself and any other condo townhouse homeowners, how do you, as the residents, know the termite company that the condo or association hired is doing a good job in preventing termites? She also wants to know how she should look to see if what she should look for to see if there's a termite problem. So how do you know if the termite company that they're servicing your location is doing a good job?
Wow, that's a really interesting question. I just had an HOA president call me just the other day to ask the very same question.
Oh,
So with these systems that you see the little green discs outside, okay, I won't name brand name, but
you're
they
talking about the
actually,
ones buried in the ground, not
yeah,
flying overhead.
correct.
Right.
Yes. And so what you've got are the technician has to actually open that up to see whether or not the termites are eating the cellulose inside of those systems. That's the part. Oftentimes, those things get buried. You know, the landscaping crews are putting out mulch. Technicians can't find them. There's ways now to use radio locators to track them all down. I don't know that I've ever seen a technician do it. I'm sure they do,
Mm.
but yeah, for the HOA, the thing is they almost have to. It's a matter of trust. So I would actually probably have one of the HOA reps meet with one of the technicians from that pest control company and go through the process with them just to make sure that they are being checked, because it seems like it's an often neglected area right now. And we, rather than using liquid termiticide, they're using these other we'll call them monitoring stations. Sometimes they're a baiting station, and you don't know what's going on inside. It's only the technician opening them up. So I guess it's one of those trust but verify
Yeah,
situations.
Zoe also asked, so how does she or a homeowner know what do they look for to see if termites
Yeah.
are crawling in their house?
Right. So they would be looking for mud tubes. We have eastern subterranean termites in our area. So if in a like a lower level garage or outside of the house, if they see little mud tubes, that's a sign that you've got termite activity. You'll see those probably before you see a termite come through a wall. They will come through paint, and you'll see these pin-sized holes, a little bit of dust falling out of them. But yeah, usually look around the outside. The technicians should be doing that type of inspection for them every year at least. But again, I don't know if that's getting done all the time.
Would the flying spiders be able to consume those termites?
I don't
Maybe
know.
I'm
I
just,
don't. It
yeah,
does not sound like they are a termite eating type of spider
too
though.
bad.
That's yeah, no, it
That
is
is
too
too
bad.
bad. All right.
Yeah.
Coming up in just a couple of moments, we're going to tell you how to get rid of mold possibly hiding in your home. Brad has some definite views about that. We're going to take a break, continuing with us till the top of the hour. Cora Henderson, who is one of the head folks over at Pitt and Frank Attorneys, they do a great job getting your home loan closed. And you can reach the folks at Pitt and Frank. They have a variety of locations, 895-9900. Also, Brad Lawler continuing with us, Home Team Inspection Service and Team Bug Out. You can reach Brad and his teams at 844-411-TEAM. If you're thinking about selling your home now or in the near future, I would love to come out and talk to you and help you. It's a free, no obligation visit. We sit down, we talk about what the process is, and look on the laptop to see what the comparables are in your neighborhood. You can call me anytime at 376-5483 or go to bobsellslouisville.com. We're back in a moment on News Radio 840 WHAS.